Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Southern Bride. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. So you're going to put some water and ice in there and let it sit while you're making your drink. Should be nice and chilled. All right, fill a glass with ice and measure out 1.5 ounces of gin. There's 1.5. And we'll follow that up with 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. And we'll add a dash of maraschino liqueur. All right. Now let's give it a shake. Get it nice and cold. If we're going to be serving without ice, you always want to make sure you shake it very vigorously. Dump out your ice water and give it a pour. And that is a Southern Bride. Bottoms up.